right, number 6. Which word in paragraph 2 helps the reader understand the meaning of airfield? So the first thing you need to do is ask yourself, what does airfield mean? And we have word parts and we have context clues. So let's look at the word parts. This is a compound word. I see air and I see field. And I know this is a story about planes. So I'm thinking an airfield is probably kind of like an airport type thing, an area of land where planes can take off. So let's look. We have stretched, safely, buckled, and runway. My guess already is going to be that it's runway because that is also a part of like an airport or an airfield. But let's look back. It says to look in paragraph 2. Paragraph 2. The narrow runway of an old airfield stretched out in front of her. Well, I see stretched. Let's look at how that's being used. Does that have anything to do with the meaning of an airfield being like an airport or a place where planes take off? Not really. And if you look at the word stretched, they're actually talking about the runway that is stretching out in front of her. So that one does not work. Safely, that's not even in the sentence, but let's look after it. It says she buckled the straps that held her safely. That has nothing to do with the meaning of an airfield or like an airport. Buckled, again, you buckle a seatbelt. Runway, a runway is a part of an airfield. It helps us know the meaning, so the correct answer is D. You need to go to your corrections sheet, and you might need to pause this to look at it. The stem was, this was number 6. Which word in paragraph 2 helps reader understand the meaning? The strategy is, what does it mean? Use the word parts. And the most important thing is the context clues. Okay. Look back at your answer sheet to see what you chose. Okay, maybe you said stretched. I chose a stretched because I saw it in the same sentence. What is wrong with it? It is not helping with the meaning of airfield. It was the runway that stretched. The correct answer is D, runway, because a runway is part of an airfield. So basically, just ask yourself what the word means. All right, that's it for number 6.